Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. This is Mr. Singh. Welcome. Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. As you can hear, my voice is a little down because I am not feeling well, but nevertheless, I'm here in the grind with you guys. Let's go, Plug Power. What are we looking for? Why it's going up high to $5.16? Then we made a pullback, $4.23. What do we close today? But just relax. Just relax, folks, because I'm going to share some key things um, on what's going on and why it's a great news. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because I'm here to cover the Plug Power with you guys. I'm invested on that company and I believe there is a good run coming and it is way overdue and we are trading above our moving averages. For further ado, let's go, folks. So Plug Power, the news that came out today, right? That I want to talk to you about. Plug Power rose about 2% after launching a significant cut for annual operating expense. I love when the company focus a lot on operating expenses by $75 million. That's a big because once a company is focusing, because if your expenses are low, means you have more revenue. It's simple as your bank account. You spend less, you have more money. You spend more, you have less money. Simple as that. So that's something that company Plug is doing, and I'm very excited because it's gonna have a significant impact when we head to right over here on Plug on the earnings coming up. And sure or not, it has changed too. It was EPS of minus of last year of consensus of 37 cents, a negative on that. Oh my god, I'm excited, I'm pumped because guess what? The earnings, by the time the earnings days comes in, and it's not far away, it's less than 3 weeks, right? And it's right in a matter of time when you're gonna see a massive movement coming up because some of the reports will come through how they're the growth level, the what's a new investment coming up, what's a new promotion coming up, when is a new supply coming up. So there's a great things for Plug Power during the earnings coming up, and they will discuss about the operating expense, which is going to be a major factor on that. Gonna quick show you on my portfolio. The last time you saw it was green, right? Yes, it is red right now. It is sitting at 0.58%, 0.58%, not 58%, will be a lot, 0.58, less than a percent, a negative right now. I'm still invested of 12,000 shares, folks. 12,000 shares I'm invested, and I'm gonna buy more. Yes, I'm not done yet, right? There's two stocks that I'm really coming where I'm gonna start adding on. Pretty much all my portfolio stocks I'm gonna start adding where I need to be added. But Plug, I'm just waiting on that to see that breakout where it's about to happen when I'm gonna jump in rather than tomorrow or most likely on Friday, and I'm knowing the market is closed on Monday. So Plug still sitting at 12,000 shares, plan to add more. Hey folks, if you go and watch on my channel, that you see that are the stocks that I cover right on this platform that I do with Neo, Tesla, digital Marathon Digital Holdings, ticker symbol MARA, are the my big ones. I'm sitting on that. We're fully invested on that, and you see my runs on that. So that are my things on my portfolio that I usually share with you guys. Nothing to brag about it. I'm not bragging about it. It's just showing. When I do videos, means I'm invested on that too, and also on some of the penny stocks that I'm invested onto. Um, so, if you have any questions for any other stocks, feel free to do it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notifications so you can know what's your favorite stock or any other stock that you're interested on. Right? Let's dig dive, see where we're heading. So, I wanted to show you guys quickly, right? I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna talk a little bit later, but I want to show you something that you guys should be happy about it, right? And I am happy about it because when you see this moving average, this is the pink line. This is my 200-day EMA acting as a massive support level, right? It's acting as a support. This 50-day, 60-day EMA is sitting right up here. It's sitting right above about $4.35. So it's acting as a resistance right now. But there's a big but, folks, right? So the but is, look at our MACD, right? MACD. You barely can see any red bars over here, and we've been trading sideways like that, right? You can see that right here. It's barely left. It's a matter of time. We're gonna have a flip of a switch. Runs up to $7, $8, making the way to $10 and plus, right over here. So it is warming up. When the stocks does do that, right? And especially time and time, how many times I've traded as a day trader a long time with Plug Power. I'm very aware of this stock, how it's doing that. And also on the six, no, that's the 3 months. I'm gonna go back to the 6 months because I want to show you something quickly too. On the 6 month chart, right, you can clearly see the pink line, right? The pink line, it is my 200-day EMA. Time and time was acting as a massive resistance. We've been trading below that, right? There was no momentum, no nothing was pulling the price low. We came and tested, got rejected. We came tested, got rejected. Came tested, got rejected. Then we came through right now. Now we have a little crossover. You need this crossover. You need some gap. You need some breathing room. When your purple line, which is the 60-day EMA, is sitting on top, right, on a pink line, which is the 200-day, it is in uptrend because right now we did have them when we had the switch over. I was very optimistic that it's gonna go add and wanted to add shares. I got hesitant because I needed a confirmation for next 2 trading days, and I didn't got the confirmation. Whereas it came all the way to the low of $4.18, and right now even the MACD is, even the sellers happen, not a bunch, right? There's not a sellers left. People are selling the shares at a discounted price. RSI is still sitting in the middle, folks. There's a lot of energy, a lot of firepower left, go all the way up high, right? So it is holding those in the thin line. That's why I'm saying that it's gonna go test, but we gotta break, right? We gotta break that $5.60, 65 cents, because that is the confirmation of an uptrend right now. We'll see some even 516. If it goes to 516 and start trading sideways more up on this angle, then you can clearly see that it is going to be an uptrend on that. But overall right now, when we go back to the year to date, right, this is very important, folks. Don't go anywhere because this is very, very important that I want to cover with you guys, right? We have a lot of room left, right? And you see time and time when we tested 200-day, we got rejected. Now we're sitting right here, and that is my fear of why it's not getting tested and is acting as a support and resistance, which is the purple line sitting at $4.42. That one is sitting right at $42.42 as our moving average. So we need to break out and hold over there. That's leading with good news like that, earnings coming that, and then it has a gas to run up to the year to date, which is about $7.33. It is a big on that because you see time and time we got rejected and we've been acting on that. This is the closest we ever came right here on the year to date chart, where our moving average was sitting on top of each other, right, pretty much for more than a month now, and kind of trading on the sideways. So this is some good signals on the technical side pointing about a breakout, but it's not a confirmation yet, unfortunately, right? And I don't want to share with you guys something that all of a sudden is saying, hey folks, hey, we're gonna have the breakout coming in, it's confirmation. Everything is pointing towards it, but we got fooled. I got fooled, right? When we can come back to the 6 month chart right up here, and I really thought it's gonna break out because we had this volume coming in, but we didn't. We couldn't do that because we still on the selling. We were still selling, and that was remember I mentioned in my previous video. I was like, I can see a reversal, but it is what it is because we will keep selling. We were a big sell off because we ran up from $2.18 up high to all the way to $5.16. I don't blame people. Lock the profit, beg that cash because you want to have that. But now we're trading sideways, making higher highs, higher lows. I want to keep trading up. Now this kind of made a triple bottom over here. Not a confirmation yet, some sort of it. But let's see on Thursday and Friday. This stock should not be less than $10. Absolutely not less than $10, right? Because we're going to go look at a 5-year time frame, right? What this stock was, right? Was a massive movement, right? It comes highs and lows. Somebody right here, to 2021 is $75, and look at that. It has a drop, make that spike, comes back, makes the spike, comes back, right? And you can see that makes the spike. We are about to make another spike. That spike can go up to $14, folks. It can go up to $14 up to the spike right now. If the big on the 5-year, $7 is one spike and $14 up to the spike. Do you think it's gonna come back? But we know during the times up here when the company was struggling with the pandemic and everything, and because they have to manage the operating expense, now they're cutting $75 million on the operating expense. That's a gold mine because now you're generating more revenue to perform and outgrow your output, right? when you do that, you can produce more on that. That will be a big plus for plug power. So I'm excited about it. There's two major spike that I can see: $7 and $14, where this is gonna go and test some key levels. But we gotta see on that, because that's a 1 year. This is a 5 year. I have to go, because remember, I have been trading this for over 4 years with plug power. I understand the losses, I understand the gains very clearly on that. Still a downtrend, nevertheless, still a downtrend, but a reversal of a spike where it can be a breakout. But with this good news coming in like that, it has a massive uptrend on that. So, folks, buckle up, fasten your seatbelt, just relax, have a plan when you want to buy and sell on that. I know what my plan is, over $10. That is what I'm looking at it. I'm not saying that that is the confirm, right? But this is my target price under it, because news like that helps in the, and plus earnings coming up, you will see a movement coming up, right? So um, thank you guys for watching the video. As you know, I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so I will do my videos, a recap for anything on the weekend. So stay tuned for that. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification so you don't miss anything on the plug power or the stocks on my portfolio. Thank you.